In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Open Contacts app so you can have a list of contacts different from your main list of contacts. So to download the app, you need to head over to F-Droid or Droidify. I would have left a link to the app in the description, but I accidentally deleted all my descriptions, so I want to avoid saying things like check the link in the description. Either use F-Droid or Droidify and then search for the app. So after you install the app, you need to open it and grant a few requests. The first request will involve choosing a location where all your contacts will be backed up to, since you're not connecting the app to your Google account. So tap OK and choose a location on your phone. If you want to follow along with me, just create a new folder and call it Open Contacts, then tap OK. Tap Use this folder, then tap Allow. Next, you need to give it storage permissions, so tap OK, then tap Allow. By doing this, you have given the app the ability to not just see what's on your phone, but also create files on your phone. It's just going to help you create backups. Next, give the app the permission to view your phone log, that's your call history. So tap OK, then tap Allow twice. Finally, allow the Enable Draw Over Apps feature. Tap OK. Next, look for Open Contacts, tap it, then allow it, then go back to Open Contacts. At this point, you should see a Start button. Tap it and you'll see a list of all your call logs. If you tap Contacts, you'll notice that it is empty. That's because you haven't started adding contacts to the app. You can tap the Add Contacts button at the bottom. If it asks you to allow notifications, tap the Allow button. From here, you can create your first contact by entering their name, phone number, and email if necessary. After you're done, tap the Save button in the top right corner. After saving the number, if you get a phone call from the number, while your phone won't recognize the number, the Open Contacts app will. So this way you will know who is calling. You can also move this panel around just in case you don't like its position. Alright, so I just showed you how to add a number to Open Contacts. But if you have a bunch of numbers you want to add that are already in your main contacts list, then the best thing to do is just to back them up. If you don't know how to back them up, I would recommend searching on YouTube on how to back up contacts on your type of device. After you have backed up your contacts, you can import them to Open Contacts. So to import your contacts, tap the three dots in the top right corner and tap Import Contacts. Then navigate to where you saved the VCF file. Tap it, tap OK, and you will see the number of contacts that have been imported. If you go back, you'll see that the numbers have been added. And from here, you can safely delete the numbers from your main contacts list. An option I would recommend you enable is the backup option, so that you don't lose the numbers that you create using Open Contacts. So to do this, head over to Settings, tap the dots in the top right corner, tap Preferences, then scroll down and enable Auto Export Contacts. The contacts will be saved weekly in the folder you created earlier. For now, that's basically all you need to know about Open Contacts. But if you have questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.